measured the progress which we have done, the challenges which are there on site. It is a huge challenge to complete the project. Certain aspects which come on a day-to-day basis, like high water table. Then there are certain issues where we cannot work due to traffic during the day. Night work is happening. But more or less we are on track, and we should be able to complete the road stretches by the 31st of May. Also minus here and there a couple of days, but we should be able to. We are targeting opening the roads on 31st of May. It may, in certain cases, curing is there. Curing time is there for concrete roads. We keep normally curing for 15 days the roads. So we will see some curing aspects may go on. Now, हे आमकां एक IMDचो रिपोर्ट आयिल्लो आसा 11, 12, 13 तारखेर पावस प्रेडिक्ट केल्लो आसा. आमचें जें काम आहा तें मातशें फाटीं उरता पावसा खातीर. Especially concreting and all has to be totally stopped during the rain. But I'm positive. I feel that major of the work completion by 31st in Central Panchim would be done. The drop is 3%. 68% odd was this year's voting. In 2019, it was 71%. There is a 3% drop. But how they are attributing this 3% drop to smart city work, I don't know. This is a $1 million question to me also. But there are various other factors. No? Other factors also should be considered. There are school holidays, vacations. Here there are central government employees, outstation employees, bank employees. People go home.